Water and glass. Oh, look, concave discs of water on glass nearer than the distant object of the sun. Interesting. How else can you explain this, FAA? And by the way, while you're admitting that there's glass in the sky and you're living inside the concavity of the Earth, can you please tell the newscasters where the mega-cry meteors are coming from that they keep telling us that they say they have contacted you and you would get back to them? I'd appreciate that.
Good afternoon. This is Universal News Media. Today is March 24th, 2018. Today we will be viewing images from unedited photos obtained over the past couple days from the Federal Aviation weather cams scattered across Alaska and Canada. All videos are in time-lapse mode, with each frame equal to 10 minutes. Many days the weather cams pick up images such as this one, captured on March 19th by the southwest-facing weather cam in Good News Bay, Alaska. These images of semi-transparent discs are a common sight. They are nothing more than reflections. These cameras from around Alaska and Canada show these same reflections day after day with the same shape, same texture, and same markings on them. In Chickaloon, Alaska, we see the same thing, only these round disc reflections are not as bright, and in just one frame, 10 minutes, the camera goes from the semi-transparent discs to this perfectly clear scene of mountains and sky. Thus, we know that the camera is not being covered in ice, snow, rain, or fog. We see these same glassy-looking discs from the Dutch Ballyhoo weather cam, and also from the Akiak weather cam in Alaska. In most of these videos, these discs appear to be slowly rotating together as if all connected in a cluster. This image from the Shagaluk, Alaska camera shows the background landscape behind these transparent discs, as if looking through a window.
As if looking through a window. As if looking through a window.
All of these reflections of discs have a rim around the perimeter and are slightly concave. Is it a coincidence that so many different cameras show the same semi-transparent concave discs with rims around the perimeter, similar texture and markings? No, it is not a coincidence. These cameras are all displaying the same semi-transparent concave discs. Now the question is, where are these discs? The discs are showing up in these cameras. Actually, they're reflections of discs. And these reflections are all seem to be connected to a sun simulator system, which is a very intense light source installed between the Earth and the sun, much closer to the Earth. In this video, the sun is currently behind a helium gas cloud.
Okay, lady, you really think there's like a sun simulator system that's is traveling across outer space and somehow is interacting between between the sun and the Earth? So really, in all actuality, the sun that we see in the sky, that's not really. There's like a simulator. No, lady. Yeah, I mean, at the end of your video, you do talk about the tribulation or whatever, but it's going to get rough because you see there's actually a mantle of ice at the top of the underside of the glass, which is about 100 kilometers high, and when the sun stops within the concavity of the Earth, all that ice is going to fall down because it's going to start melting. Read Joshua chapter 10. When the sun stopped, what happened? Large chunks of ice fell, right? So there you go. There's your sun simulator, lady. There's glass up in the sky. You're living inside my Earth, too.